So solving equations is a little bit tricky sometimes, and so we need to have some methods to solve things. So if this is the equation we have, log of k with the base 8 plus log of 6 with the base 8 is equal to 2, and we're asked to solve for k, it's a little bit tricky, but as you can see, this here is actually just a number that we can actually calculate, just like I showed in video for evaluating logarithms. Now what we can do is actually just rewrite this, so it'd be log of k base 8 plus log of 6 over log of 8 is equal to 2. Now what we can do is just calculate this. So I got log of k base 8 plus 0.8617 is equal to 2. And of course we're just going to move this over to the other side, so we'll get log of k base 8 is equal to 2 minus 0.8617. Now I'm going to go up here to the top of the other side and continue this question. So we end up with log of k base 8 is equal to 1.1383. Now this is just an estimate, but we don't have to be perfectly exact. So now that we have this, we can just rearrange into an exponential equation. So what we'd have is k is equal to 8 to the exponent 1.1383. So then k is going to equal 10.6 repeating, and that's our final answer. So k is equal to 10.6 repeating, and it's not an exact answer because there was some rounding in the question, but it's close enough. Now this is a little trick that I want to show you. If you have a question, and this is a new question, so I'll do it in blue. If you have a question like this, log of 4z plus 10 is equal to log of 2z minus 9. So when you don't have a base written, it's to the base of 10. But we don't really care about that because if you have two logs with the same bases, you can actually just write 4z plus 10 is equal to 2z minus 9. You can actually just cancel out the logs altogether and just write what's inside the brackets if they have the same base. So if they had a base of 4, they each had a base of 4, you could do the same exact thing. So now this is just basic algebra to solve for z. So z is going to be equal to negative 19 over 2. And if you worked out this algebra, that's what you would get. So this is a very good trick because if you have logs with all the same base, you can just take what's inside the brackets and set them equal to each other.